In this video we show you how to clean Stadler Form if a little. You will need a cleaner, like for example the Stadler Form Cleaner Descaler, a cup and maybe a brush. First of all, switch off the unit, remove the fragrance container and unplug your EVA Little. Then power the water in the direction indicated. Use about 100 ml of water and the same amount of descaler and power it into the unit with the cup. Then let the mix sit for about 30 minutes, and if there is still limescale visible, use a brush to clean even more. Remove the cleaning mix, rinse again with clear water and put back all the parts. Now you can clean the exterior, plug the unit again, and you are ready to go.